Hello investors, in this video we will see how we can create static strategies, and remember that we can create static strategies for stocks as well as mutual funds and ETFs. Now to create a static strategy, simply click on this strategies here and then click on this create new. Now as you can see, we have a static strategy for stocks, ETFs and mutual funds. Now in this three, only the first step will be different, where in stock baskets you will be selecting stocks, in ETFs and MF baskets you will be selecting ETFs and mutual funds respectively. So if I click on the stock basket here, as you can see I am asked to add stocks here, right? Now if I click on the ETF basket, I am asked to add ETFs, and if I click on the mutual fund basket, I am asked to add mutual funds, right? So now let's focus on the stock basket, and the first step, as you can see here, is add your favorite stocks. So you can select stocks in three ways. First, you can type the name of the stocks manually. So let's say I want to add Axis Bank, I'll type Axis. I can click here to add it. And the second way is you can also look at the sectors. So sector, even industry group and industry. So I can look at, for example, automobile and auto components. So this are the automobile and auto component sector stocks. Now you can add any of them by clicking here. So I will be adding Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki. And the third way is to add from your watch list as well as from your screen. So click on add from watch list here. I have two watch lists, so I can directly add stocks from here, as well as I have made some screens. So if I click on any screen, these are the stocks that goes through that screen and that gets filtered. So I can add stocks from here as well, right? So I'll click on add to. So this way we can add stocks. Now let's add some stocks manually. I'll remove this sector search. So I'll go to industry group. I'll get Axis Bank. Let's say what more stocks can I add? Axis Bank, ICICI Bank. Then I'll also add Reliance. Right. So now we have five more stocks. So total five stocks are here. Now the second step is to define the weights. Now here, as you can see, either you can allocate equal weight, you can set the weights manually. So I can change this to, let's say, 10%. Now until your sum is 100, this error will be shown that your sum must be 100, right? And the third thing you can do is weight by metric. So as you can see, I can select by market cap, by free float, any metric. I can check this VM score, so value and momentum score. Based on that, this weightage is given. But let's go with the equal weight for now. The second step is to confirm weights. So I'll click here on the confirm weights. The next step is to select the benchmark. So for this, my benchmark will be Nifty 50 total return index, that is visible here. You can type the index of your choice here and it will be visible. So I'll create Nifty 50 TRI. I'll click on confirm. Then I'm asked to select my rebalancing frequency. So we have rebalancing frequency from 1 week to 1 year. You can choose 1 week, bi-weekly, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. And you can also create a static basket, like there will be no rebalancing. What you are buying right now will be held forever. But let's go with the monthly rebalancing, and in month you are asked to select the date. Now only we give this level of personalization, that you want to get your strategy rebalanced on every 20th of every month. So you can also do that. What I'll do is I'll select the 5th of every month. Then I'll click on confirm. The next step is the risk management. Now right now there are no risk management frameworks implemented. Once you toggle this on, you are given three choices. First is trailing stop loss, which basically means you trail your stop loss and you are asked to give on the percentage. So I'll trail the stop loss by 10 percentage. Then this is fixed stop and take profit, where you limit both your downside and upside, and this is fixed stop with drawdown protection. So in this, once you hit a certain price, your trailing stop loss order will be triggered. So once you select this, as you can see, fixed stop percentage is 20, drawdown trigger percentage is 50, and drawdown stop percentage is 10. What this means is, once you buy at 100, your initial stop loss is 80, but once the price reaches 150, the 10% trailing stop loss will get triggered and this stop loss will be removed. So you can either turn it on, turn it off. What I'll do is I'll take the trailing stop loss of 10% and then I'll click on confirm. And that's it. As you can see, now backtesting result is getting calculated and our portfolio has compared well when compared to benchmark, and so it has performed well. As you can see, you can compare in 1 month, 6 month, 1 year, 3 year, and even maximum time frame. So here right now we have 3 year as a backtest start and ended. You can also modify the same here as well. Right, so the next step will be to, now if you are satisfied with this performance, you can also look at the performance charts as well as, so the complete backtest report is here. You can see the trade logs as well. So based on the movements, the allocation percentage will be changed, right? So if the prices go up, the allocation in your portfolio of that particular stocks will increase. So periodically, where the prices are up, we will sell it partially and we will invest in those stocks whose prices are down. So as you can see, here is the complete trade logs. You can also download the same from here, right? And if you are not satisfied with the result, you can click on previous and change this. If you are fine with the results, then what you can simply do is click on the paper trade button. So if I click on the paper trade now button, this is my basket and I'm asked to give on a name. So this will be my demo stock basket, and I can also add the description. So here I can write that this is a demo basket, and then I can simply click on this execute order button. So once I click on this execute order button, I can before that I can also see the minimum investment value for this basket as well. So I'll click on execute order, and that's it. Demo stock basket is now visible. As we are creating this after 3:30, the current PL and day change and everything is 0 as of now. It will automatically update every day based on the movement of the stocks that we have selected. So similarly, you can create a mutual fund as well as ETF baskets as well. The only difference, as I mentioned, will be in the first steps, where you will be selecting mutual funds and allocating the weights, or selecting ETFs and allocating their weights. That's it for the static strategies. In the next video, we will see how we can create a dynamic strategy for stocks using our stock screener. Thank you.